Okay. Requesting the coach to approach our table for the R5. Coach, thanks for the game. Okay. The first game for this Volleyball Girls High School students between UPS and NLPS Wave. Where are the winners coming from the UPS? And of course, we are the NLPS Wave together. Bench players, kindly rotate your position here on this side. Bench players. Let's stay in this side kasi mas malawak po dito. Para hindi sa dalawa po dito dyan, mahabot po ng ating mga players. Ito yung basketball with players na ayun. We have our judges. NLPS Rap and Safe NLPS Rap. And our scorer coming from and we would like to see a request coming from the UPS Kuya to stay there in the area para po yung bola ma-break, mapunta rin sa kabilang bakod. Sino po pwede po ako magbantay ng bola? Mga kuya or sino po? Okay na? Okay po. Pasikiro po ng bola kasi po wala ka na lang.
Bye-bye!
We're not yet.
Bakit ka? Kasi kumakain. Wala na po si
Taking for 30 of Sabah. Taking for 30 of Sabah.
Go Gatis! May sugat si Gatis na wala kayo ng first day. Oo nga. Di ba nag-outdoor sila? Hinabol niya yung bola na out of balance na diretso dive. Eh yung ano nito, pati Gatis.
Taking for 30 of Sabah. Number 14, this is it. Pass through. Foul. First foul left.
Baba.
Number 14, holding foul.
Hindi na nare-record yan. So, ano ko lang? Sa... Bakit kasi
Number 72, uniform. Number 2,
Players, can you show your number? Pakitanggal po.
wala. Number 92. Group 42, by number 6. Time remaining 5 minutes left. 25-7.
Okay, I think we're all set. Let's start the
Number 72. Wala. Number 62.
Now serving, player number 15 of UPS.
Last one.
Now serving, player number 12. From serving, player number 12. Nice serve. Score, 10-1. Serving, player number 35. And it's a service error. Committed by rotational goal committed by NFPS and score. Legal switching. So what do we have to switch? Let's see if on UPL, considering the 35. Nice serve. Receives, yeah. Now serving, player number 17. Number 17.
Dahil pa nila yun.
To let the players get the ball.
Tara, receive tayo, receive!
Now serving, player number 6.
Quality of ball.
Nice serve. And receive.
Bola, bola, let's go!
Serving, player number 6.
19th in favor of
Nice serve.
Wala na, that's na yun
It's
eh.
a ball coming from the referee for outside.
Yes, outside na, wala na eh.
Service ball.
Nice ball, Kylie! Kylie! Let's go, Kylie!
It's a service error. 16-8 in favor of now serving player number 22. Nice serve. And it's a check ball. Service ace.
nabibawa ng bola.
Joanna!
Pagmamahabol ang UPN. So serving player number 22.
Okay! Uy, malayo pa!
Number 11, Triple B.
Ang layo, be! Ano yan? Ang layo mo? Ang layo ng lasa? Alam mo sa lumangan mo ba? Hindi ka nabasa. Oh, last four, last four.
First foul of UPN.
Maraming fish wala!
Nice save.
First goal.
Last three na lang! Senador! Last three na lang, tapos sa kabila. Change court!
Change court, change din yung
Lilipat din yung camera.
change court ang audience din. Okay. Grabe ang energy ng first game natin ngayon. And we're watching a match between UPS Main and UPS and LFPS Main. Okay. Okay, coaches, please give your R5 to our referees so that you have reference in positioning your players. These days, another set of players must be playing inside the court. Bawal tayong mag-doble-doble, no? Everyone must have a chance to play. Mababawi kaya ng UPS? Ng UPS! Manalo ba kayo ngayon ang LFPS? Sa susunod ng kabanata. Okay. Alright, players, please show your number to our second referee to check your positions. Show your numbers, players.
Talikod kayo. Show your number.
Again, if you want to have some refreshment, we have our canteen here at our right side. Please visit. There's a lot of food and drinks to explore. Okay, I think everything is set. Let's start the ball rolling for the second set. Now serving player number 21. Inangat. And it was a point. Unang puntos para sa LFPS May. Still serving player number 21. Nice serve.
Nice serve!
Service ace. Wait, there is a...
Wait lang.
Sakal lang po ang player.
Wala nang players iba eh.
Okay, so we're settling something. Okay, we'll be having Okay! Mas maganda talaga pag nag-uusap-usap. Kasi clarify things. Okay, let's go back to the ball game! So serving player number 21. Nice serve! Dilibat! And nalito kung sino yung setter ng UPS. Still serving player number 21. Score 2-0 in favor LFPS Maine. Nice serve pero hindi umabot. Now serving player number 9. It's a service error outside. Score 3-1 in favor of NFPS. Now serving player number 22. Serve! May angat! Pero hindi ay balik. Score 4-1. Still serving player number 22. And it's an outside.
Okay lang yan.
Point for NLPS, UPS. Now serving, player number 7. Nice serve. Mangat. May angat ulit. And it's an attack. Very nice. Attack by number 17 of NLPS. Score 5-2 in favor of NFPS Maine. Now serving, player number 12. Nice serve! Pero masyadong malakas, it's an outside. Okay, now serving, player number 2. Nice serve. Alright. Dinaret. Dinaret. Dinaret ang dinaret. Okay, score for NFPS Maine. Nice save, and it's a service ace. So serving player number 17 of NFPS Maine. Nice serve, and it goes into the ball. Services again, score 8-3, and timeout for UPS. Mababawi kaya ng UPS ang game na to? UPS, let me hear your cheer! And of course, NFPS! Hindi the score for this set. Grabe naman yan. Mababawi pa kaya ng UPS? Or NFPS will maintain their
Tapusin mo na, Jonathan.
position, their advantage.
Pasok na.
Score 8-3 in favor of NFPS Maine. Still serving, player number 17, nice serve. Receive to the left side. For UPS. Grabe ang energy ng UPS na nakapuntos.
Oh, say bye. Say bye.
Now serving player number 24. Nice serve! Pero masyadong malakas. Natamaan ang blue. Score 9-4.
Pasok lang.
Now serving player number 19. And it's an outside. Masyadong pinansa. Kaya natamaan ang ating roof. Beware of the roof.
Say
Kasi
bye.
nasa indoor tayo.
Say bye.
Now serving, player number 16. Dinarap. Dinaratso. Dinarat. 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 Wait, there is a call coming from the referee. Score for? So score for? NFPS Maine. So two touches committed by UPS. Now serving play number 28. And it's a service A. Score 11-5.
Pasok lang.
The serving player number 28. Nice serve. And it's a point for UPS. Nauna po ang bola. Matouch sa floor before mag-touch sa player. So, score for UPS. Serving, player number 24. Nice serve, balik ulit. Sinet. 3-4. Alright, and nahirapan players ng UPS. There is a substitution coming from the UPS. Player number 7 out. 25 E. Okay.
Saglit.
Substitution also. NFPS, player number 22 out. 25 in.
Ate, pasok lang ha.
Now serving player number 21. Nice serve. Pinalik agad. Inisang kamay hindi nakuha. Score for UPS. Leading this set is the NFPS having a score of 13. And UPS got 6 points. And it's a service lead. Score 13-7. Serving player number 9.
Say mine.
Nice serve. Monitor line judge, it's inside. Score for UPS. So serving player number 9. Nice serve, binangat. Sinet. And it was a nice intention, but the execution is bad. Substitution. Substitution. Referee. Substitution. But I don't misunderstanding some big rules here. So let's clarify things.
Natagtag sa mga nakaupo ako. Girl, say
Wait,
mine lang
that's
ha, sa
the
bola.
decision of the referee. See, the referee is the one who will decide the overall. Okay, let me hear some cheer coming from the UPS. And of course, the NFPS fans. Nakakahabol kaya. And of course, that's Shaba. That's our Shaba. Dito ba kayo? Halluan Branch! NFPS Rock! Layo-layo ng binahin nyo, ha? Buong Emirates na ikot nyo. So, from end to end kayo, no? Abu Dhabi to Razan Kaiba.
Say mine lang ha. Masyadong intense.
Kulang ata yung player nila. Kaya pwede mag-soup ng dalawa.
Ano tayo eh? Ay, 10 lang tayo sa estudyante. Sa basketball din, kulang din
Okay.
tayo eh. 7 lang ang bata eh.
Oo, papagurin lang sila yan. Sa sobrang layo siguro, hindi na pinayag.
Sorry for delay of game. We're just clarifying some rules here. So if you have, if you want to eat something or drink something, we have here our canteen. At our right side, you can visit for some refreshment. Okay? Okay, I think everything is set. Clear na po ba, coaches? Okay, score
Girls,
is
say
13-9
mine na, say
in favor
mine.
of NFPS win. Now serving player number 9 of UPS.
Hindi na naman na pwede na mag-soap. Kasi kulang na sila.
Kasi hindi pa ba
Oo, yung isa, dapat yung isa, pinaglaro lang. Baba.
Nice serve.
Out na, out na.
Okay, it's an outside score for NFPS
Tapusin mo na!
win.
Tapusin mo na! Oh, wait na, wait.
Wait muna, stop muna natin ang game. Calling the coaches for some clarification.
Unang tapusin, sayang.
Again, coming from our event coordinator.
Siyempre. Sayang ng biyahe.
Ganun ba?
Our
Parang
operation
nag-enjoy sila bitin niya
management, Sir Richard.
Yan sila Joanna pag ganyan, nabitin. Naghahanap pa ng laro. Last week, malayo. Nasa Abu Dhabi sila.
Sila?
Doon sa, ano nila, doon sa,
Sa ano nila sa
Sa volleyball
volleyball
club.
nila.
sa Abu Dhabi, nag-shoot up.
Maganda.
Ano yan? Every weekend. Friday night, tapos Saturday. Yun lang pinagkakaabala nila. Pati si John Robert, ganun din. Training.
Basketball ba siya?
Ayaw na si John Robert. Volleyball lang, magkasama sila.
Sa basketball, ano?
Kasama niya dati sila Vince na
Oo.
Norit Reyes, saka si JD.
Alam ko laro niya basketball eh.
Oh, nag-lipat nung 1 year. Anong nilipat ko ng TPS?
TPS sa volleyball siya.
Hindi, ayaw na niya kasi Thursday night yung training. Tapos may pasok pa siya ng Friday.
Oo nga, ano kasi.
Then we are watching a game
Half day
between
sila Friday.
NFPS main and UPS. Isang napakainit na labanan.
Wala ka kaila sa Iril.
Kaya kailangan nyo ng refreshment.
Magkapatid
Punta
na
kayo
kanina
po
sa school.
sa ating canteen.
Walang
Well,
ginawa.
enjoy the
Exam
game.
kinabukasan, naglalaro ngayong gabi.
Malamig na malamig ang refreshment. Shout out sa ating canteen dyan. Mayahati pa kayo sa dyan.
Pag Peps kalaban nila, halos magkakasama
Okay,
sila sa
balik ang
volleyball.
player kanina ng
Magkakalaban natin.
NFPS. So there will be no substitution sa NFPS main.
Tama, dapat hindi na yung papapasok. Kasi kulang din sila dalawa.
Okay.
Yung dalawang
Ate,
pinalita.
pasok lang ha. Say Mike!
Serving. Let's go back to back to back to back to back.
Say Mike!
To the ball game. Score 14-9. Leading NFPS main. Hindi pa rin klaro. Wait na.
Pati yung player na dito na.
Dapat meron tayo na trainer. Sorry na. Appreciating ang question.
Dapat hindi rin doon nagpasama. Kasi kumpleto sila.
Okay, ready? Say mine lang.
Okay, let's
Wait lang,
continue.
wait.
Back to back to back to back. Now serving player number 22. Nice
Yes!
serve.
Say mine!
Inangat. And
Yes!
it's a point for NFPS main. intentional attack.
Sure ball, sure ball.
Score 15-9.
Sure ball.
For serving, that is an error. Score 15-10 in favor of NFPS.
Say mine.
Now serving player number 7.
Say mine.
Nice serve. In and out. Sunit. Attack. But it's outside. Miscalculation. So, substitution. Allowed ba?
Dito na walang naglaro.
Is it allowed? Okay. Okay na.
Allowed at saka hindi na allowed.
Substitution.
Ayun na lang, wala na.
Now, serving player number 7 of UP.
Say mine.
Nice serve. Pinalog.
Yes.
And it's a point. Score 16-11. In favor of NFPS wing. Now, serving.
Sure ball lang,
player
sure
number
ball.
12.
Say mine. Sure ball lang.
Nice serve. Kuha. And... Oh, walang follow-up sa mga numbers.
Okay.
Score 17.
Sure ball lang, sure ball. Say mine.
Nice serve. Inangat. Isunod pero natamaan ang ating ceiling. Down to the floor.
Kasabi. Easy. Easy. Easy, sure ball lang.
Still serving player number 12. Nice serve. And according to our line judge, it's inside. Score for NFPS May.
Last one,
Last
easy.
two for NFPS May.
Sure ball lang, sure ball.
Makahabol
Sure
kayo
ball.
UPS.
Sure ball.
Nice serve. And masyadong malakas.
Okay
It's an
lang.
outside.
Girl, say
Now
mine.
serving player number 02.
Saan na?
Nice serve. Lahat. Dinaretso pero hindi umabot.
Ay, bilis.
Para mahabol ang UPS. Still serving. Player number 02. And it's a service error. Hindi umabot. Last one. It's a set point for NFPS. Match point pala. Match point for NFPS Bay.
Pasok
Now
lang.
serving player number 25. Nice serve. May balik. Ilangat. Ilangat. And the game is over. A play between NFPS Bay and UPS
Panalo na, panalo na.
winner. NFPS Bay. Okay, for our next match, calling the team of
Winner NFPS.